Are you looking for something to stuff in those Halloween candy bags? Every Halloween, I try to make something that looks spooky but smells amazing. I think small hand soaps is a really cute idea to put in these bags. But things didn't go exactly as planned.
What have you done to its eyes?
What happened? Did a potion go wrong? Stay tuned and watch the video to see if I was able to recover from this spooky soap. Hello, good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. My name is Natasha and welcome to Natasha's Such and Sense. We're here, we make soap that apparently is cursed or possessed. I do not know, guys, what happened to this soap. You're gonna have to watch the entire video to find out. I'm going to be showing you 3 different soap unmoldings. Yes, 3. I decided to do some Halloween bag stuffers. Yes, I'm gonna add candy, but I think a little cute soap in certain bags will be cute. Also, these are awesome for Halloween parties, and I am making a bag for my kids' school because they are having a Halloween party, and I'm pretty sure there's gonna be plenty of candy. And I am going to be giving them soap so they can wash their little hands before they eat. Now, this idea can work for any occasion. It doesn't have to just be Halloween, you guys. It could be any holiday season. I really didn't want to have to make a soap loaf. I wanted something simple, so I went to Michael's craft store, got me some cute molds that they had, and decided that I was going to just make little hand soaps for all the children. And I found this cute one. She's kind of scary, but she wasn't scary. So I said I was gonna boost it up a notch, and if you stay tuned to the later this video, you're gonna see a lot of boosting. This particular soap loaf, I decided to do soap dough. And if you haven't seen my soap dough video, please click at the top. I'll leave it there for your convenience. And I took some soap scraps from a soap that I had previously and blended it in. And guys, when you see the results of this soap, you're gonna love it. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. It has a nice effect. Now, I didn't show you the pouring of the first soap mold, but I'm gonna show you the unveiling of it. And when I tell you guys, hold on to your incontinence, because what the heck is this?
What have you done to it? What have you done to its eyes?
If you can guess what happened to this soap, put it in the chat right now. Yes, Rosemary, you tell me what happened to the eyes, because my goodness, the unveiling of the monster, like, this soap was so cute. And she came out looking like she was pissed off. But I think that the soap was trying to tell me, like, look, you want scary? I got scary. Now, I know what happened, okay, guys? I know what happened. But I'm curious to know if you can guess what happened to this soap. Now, isn't she cute? This soap came out so cute. So this is the soap where I use the squeeze bottle and squeeze the soap batter into the bowl. And then I use regular soap batter to fill in the face. And then I try to pour in a little bit of the pink and the black just to give it some depth and definition. I didn't want it to be like pure white, or plain. And I really love how this came out. This came out really cute. I like how it's hand size. I like how the eyes are hearts, and so it's a little nosy. It's a heart. I like the bold definition. I think this came out really cute. This will be cute for a little party. Fragrance this with sweet pea, and I also have Fruit Loops fragrance oil, which smells literally like Fruit Loops or Fruity Pebbles, depending on whatever you grew up in. It smells like either Fruit Loops or Fruity Pebbles. Now, this is the third unmolding of the soap. And guys, look at how this came out. Does that not look like some kind of textured stone? Tell me it don't. Tell me this don't look like a beautiful textured stone. This is just me blending soap scraps into a small amount of existing soap batter. I love the way this came out. And what a great way of reusing soap scraps or soap that I'm not using or didn't come out quite how I wanted it. I loved the way this came out. Do y'all like my Phantom of the Opera soap? What a great way to reuse your soap scrap, guys. Just blend it up, put it in a soap loaf mold, and then hand it out to kids for Halloween, or do it for a party. You know what I mean? You're not wasting soap. It's still good. Like, what? So let's get into the fear part. Like, what scares me? Okay, so this is not going to be a big scare, but let me just tell you guys a story about these disgusting bugs. Beautiful, but disgusting. Ugh, just seeing them on the screen crawl my skin. It's these lantern flies. Do any of you guys have lantern flies where you are? I know they're in the northern part of the United States. These flies, I think they came from Japan or somewhere, right? They got on some kind of shipment of marble or something that came over from Japan or somewhere, and they got over here, and they've just been blanketing certain areas of the northern states. They're harmless, right? As far as they don't bite, but they just all over anything that's sweet tasting. Like, if the vineyards in Long Island they're wreaking havoc on the vineyards in Long Island because they love the sweet taste of certain things. They love certain trees. Anyway, let me tell you this story. Me and my family, we took my kid to school, right? Took her to school in Pennsylvania, and apparently they were going through some daggone influx of these daggone flies. You guys, when I tell you, I felt like, you ever seen the movie The Birds when they started attacking everybody? That's how I felt. They were all over the damn place, and I knew they were going to be there. So I took a daggone container full of bleach and stuff and literally was on this campus spraying the daggone bugs as I was walking through like the narrow ways and everything. I didn't care. I did not care. I was not trying to be touched by these things. First of all, they have no fear. They'll jump right onto your forehead. They jump on you and stick to you because they want to go to high ground. They were on my little one's neck. One time we was running from them and we stopped running and was catching our breath. They were on her neck. One was sitting on her neck. Oh, heck no. Oh my. You talk about your skin crawling, and then when they bunch together in a pile. Listen to me. I love God's creatures outside, but don't touch me. Don't come in my house. Don't be on my ceiling about to fall in my plate of food. I'm telling you, don't touch me. For this first soap, I wanted to outline certain areas of certain features of the skull to give it like a cartoon feel. This batch, this stone skull, I wanted to do something different, so I decided to get glitter. This is soap safe glitter, you guys. This is not glitter that I got at a craft store and threw on soap. Please don't do that. If you're going to put glitter on your soap, please make it be a glitter that's made to dissolve, like something that's food grade, or it is made for soap where it will dissolve and is skin safe. I thought this would add a nice little accent to the soap, and you guys tell me what you think. I am going to fill in the eyes and the rest of the soap with some melt and pour clear soap. This is the easiest way for me to contain the glitter and put a coating on the outside of the soap so that if it's exchanging hands and things like that, the decorations and all that stuff won't get scuffed up and everything like that. So it's kind of like a little coating on the soap, and it's soap, so I think it works perfect, and it adds gloss, so I think it works double perfect, you guys. After I pour the melt and pour in the individual eyes, I let it dry, and then I warm up the melt and pour again, and I pour it over the whole entire face of the skull soap. And it was getting a little bit difficult to see where I poured it. It takes practice, but after a while I got the hang of it. Now it's time for the lather test, and you guys, don't be squealed, but this hand soap is so cute. Watch the lather in the soap. Look, and the eyes are still glowing. She still got her bow. She still got her little scar. She is so adorable. Oh my goodness, you guys. Where are you going? You are not leaving. I'm closing the door. You know why? Because you have more videos to watch. Take care of your beautiful skin and your beautiful energy. Please watch tons of videos. Like, share, and subscribe. Hype up the videos also. Until next time, my beautiful viewers and subscribers, ciao for now.